Hello guys, welcome to another HTML tutorial series. In this video, we will be exploring the power of lists in HTML and how they can help you present your content in a structured and organized manner. Let's dive in right now. So, we have three types of lists. We have a list, we still have other list, and we have definition list. We have definition list. So this order list, the first one here, this one come like first type of list is order list. These are perfect when you want to display a set of items in a specific order. To create an order list, we use the OI tag, which is, so let me use capital letter, let me use small letter. I think is it. This one should be, let me see, first item. Then second one should be second item. Then third one should be third item. So let's see how it look in the browser. So this is how it looks in the browser. We can use our CSS to remove the number, and we can use our flexibles to make it to be flex like this, to be flexible just like this way. We can do that in using CSS, but in this tutorial I just want to focus on type of list. So this other list uses numbers. So the next one should be the next one. Now let's move on to an order list. This comes in when you want to display a collection of items without any particular order. To create an order list, we use the URL tag, which is this. Take this order list come with a bullet. Let me see, the first one is red. Then second one, let me see, green. Then third one should be blue. Let's see how it looks in the browser, so you can see the difference. So here, this is it. This is an order list with a number, but you can still use your CSS to remove the number if you don't need a number, and you can still use your CSS to make it to be flexible like this way. You can use your CSS to make it to be in a horizontal form. Likewise to the another list. You can still use your CSS to remove it. This bullet right here, and you can still use your CSS to make it to be horizontal. To make it to be horizontal form, just like this, to be flexible like this. Style it. But this tutorial, I just want to make the video on type of list. Maybe next time I will do a video based on styling it with CSS. So let's go to the next one, which is definition list. In this definition list, it is used for presenting theme and their corresponding definition, maybe like the definition of HTML. So we can use this list to make some definition of HTML. So to create a definition list, we use the di tag with dit tag. data tag. Assuming we have HTML here, HTML right here. So and we want to define it, and we want to know the meaning of this HTML. We can use the data tag to define it. That is why it is called definition list, which stands for this HTML. We stand for hypertext markup language, CSS. So we use this to define the meaning of CSS. We use the DD tag to define the meaning of CSS, which stand for cascading theme. I've written there cascading style sheets. So this is it. This is a theme. This is the definition, and this is CSS. Look at the definition. This is definition list. We use it to define something. Like we use it to define a theme. Now let's see how it looks in the browser. This is the output. Definition list allow you to create clear association between theme and their meaning, making your content more understandable. This is the three type of list. Order list and definition list. So maybe in my next video I'll be styling it with CSS to see how it will look when styling it with CSS. Maybe you want this tray now to be horizontal. You can use your CSS to style it. Or you want to remove the numbers, you can still use your CSS to style it. In this video we have covered type of list which are used for organizing and structuring your content. Feel free to experiment with different list type and style to enhance the appearance of your web page. If you have any question or need further assistance, please leave a comment below, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.